sleepy, and if you're not feeling sleepy, then I'm gonna try to soothe you. I'm gonna try to help you to get to sleep. I'm gonna draw something, and it's autumn and everything's a bit low. So I'm going to draw something to let my feelings out a bit. I always sleep with one eye open. That's what she said. Is it gonna be a phase or huddled over? No, it's gonna be a phase. God knows. Like that. That's the nose. This is the kind of nose today. It's a very flat face. That sounds horrible when I say it like that, but it is. I think there's a name for it on TikTok, but we're doing it here now. Doing something not as realistic. Thin, flowing lips. Thin, flowing lips. Like this. It's open. It's open. And we need a face shape. We need a face shape too. To make this a good one. Let's see. Like that. And I wonder, no, that's giving aggressive. I want it to be light, open, light, like that's better. I think that we've got eyelid like this, and then her cheekbones. Cheekbones, yes. This is the face. That's a French word. Mécontent. She wasn't happy. I'm gonna give her a chin. What kind of chin am I going to give her? I'm gonna have mark out her eyelids anyway. She's got to have a beautiful nose. Beautiful big nose. Like that. Wow. I love that nose. Now this cheekbone is a good marker, but it's a weird shape. I mean, she's not completely realistic, so the face shape can't be all natural, but we should do it like this. Yes, look at that. Now, that one does need to be closer if she hasn't got some kind of chromosome. Let's get that one closer. It's closer to the other one, like that. And it's high as well, like that. And the cheekbones. This is a very disproportionate head. I have to think for a second if I am going to accept it as its art, or if I'm going to do something about it. You know what? I'm going to accept it. I'm gonna say this is art. This doesn't have to be all realistic. What a beautiful nose she's got. She's got an underbite. So I want her front teeth here. And some kind of consensus like this. And oops, sorry. And then I've got the teeth down there with a little bit of an underbite. Like that. Now that side of the mouth is weird. Along with that side of the chin, like that. But I think I can make it work. Do we darken it inside the mouth? Yeah, I think that we need our eyelid here to slope a bit more outwards like that. Though it's considered a cheat or whatever to turn the paper with you when you draw, but why make life so difficult for yourself? get into the details later. I think this is a good start. I think that she's beautiful, really beautiful, and I think that she's gonna get a voice in this image like she existed, because she's got things to say. I can tell she's got things to say. I think she is trying to say them. There's a calmness in her. There's frustration. She looks like someone is being mansplained. Who's trying to say for the 100th time, or like taking a breath to say, it's not true. I should probably continue it up here on the other page. I'm not used to doing that, but maybe that's logical. This is the first step. I'm sorry, I'm gonna go right back because I hate what I did to her hairline. Oops. So this is her hairline like this. Like that, something like that. Is that how her hairline looks? Something like that, yeah. Looks like she's lost her hair. I can admit I'm a bit tired now. That's why it's not as good as usually. I could do some features like her collarbones. She's a tall girl. That's what I think, at least. I think she's a tall girl. I think she's got... Yeah, she's a tall girl. Sportiger. Of course, if you're tall, if you're sporty, you're gonna get a lot of mansplaining. So it makes sense. Oops. I bumped my ring light. It makes a lot of sense. She's very pretty. I think that now I've got her face started. I might not do a lot more today. Might take a break from her. She's got a kind, I think she's a bit, I'm sorry Angelica, but I think she's a bit smarter than Angelica is. Okay guys, I am going to quit there for today. I think she's beautiful. I'll come back to her. Please comment if you've got any opinions, any ideas or suggestions. Please like if you like it, and follow if you want to see more. Right now I'm mostly drawing, but I hope I'll be able to do a lot more stuff as this account or this channel evolves. So it's time for you to maybe hop on to the next ASMR